How to contact TripIt Customer Support. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can contact TripIt Customer Support. What do you do first? The first step is for you to launch the TripIt application, just like I've done here. And so once you've done that, move to the bottom right corner in the application bar, click on your accounts page. Once you're on your accounts page, you can see your profile, you can see travel start, points tracker. Scroll down until you can see help center, then select that. Then click on your Chrome or on your web browser and you go to the TripIt Help Centers page. On this page, you can see updates and support. You can see different kind of support that has been made available, different articles. So you can go ahead and read any of the article based on the question that you might have. In case you do not see any here, you can try searching out an issue by typing out it here, and articles that have answered these questions would be displayed. But then if you don't want to read articles and you would like to submit a ticket instead, just move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines, then click on submit a ticket, and then you'll be taken to the submit a ticket page. On this page, you would have to enter in your email address, enter in the subject of your request, and then enter in the category that your request fall into, describe your request. If there's an attachment, perhaps a screenshot, attach it, then click on submit, and then an email will be sent to you directly at support@tripit.com. An email will be sent to you addressing the question that you've asked through the ticket. Okay, and also you can also email TripIt support directly, all right, at support@tripit.com, and a response would also be sent to you. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.